For question number 1, okay, self exercise 2.11, question number 1. Okay, so how, show that the area of the sector is A equals to half R, 80 minus 2R. You should not take the value itself. Okay, but the final answer, yes, the final value will be 1 over 2, will be 1 over 2R and 80 minus 2R. Okay, from the info, what is the info? A wire of length 80 cm is bent to form a sector POQ. Okay, so you draw a sector POQ, and the length, given that OQ is R, so this is also R, and POQ is theta radian, this is theta. Alright, so the parameter is 80. So create equation involving the parameter. Okay, so for your info, how to calculate PQ is R theta. Do you remember that length of arc is R theta? Because the formula is S equal to R theta. S is length of arc, R theta. So in this case, the R is R, the theta is theta. Okay, so how to create equation involve a wire of 80? Help me. Equals to 80. What is it equals to 80? R plus R plus R theta. R plus R plus R theta. So it will be 2R plus R theta equals to 80. So if you notice here, the one they want you to show is R is here. So what you have to know, you have to make theta as the subject. So R theta will be 80 minus 2R. So theta will be 80 minus 2R over R. Okay? So this is the equation that I mentioned. This is equation. And then you should have, they say, show that the area. Area is the expression. Area is what? How to find area of a sector? Half R squared theta. So you replace theta with this here. Okay, substitute equation into expression. So 1 over 2R squared and 80 minus 2R over R. How is it to become from here to here? You can cut the R. 1 R here and 1 R there. So it becomes this. Then you write down shown. Do not begin with this. You have to create on your own. Okay. So that is the thing that you have to learn. You have to do at least with 10 questions in order to familiarize yourself with how to do with this kind of question. Okay, so, and let's continue with B. Continue with B. I think I'm going to write down here because there are more space here. Okay, then find the maximum area. Maximum area, since we already know, so how to answer B? Oh, running out. Okay. Find the maximum area. So use this. I am going to open up the bracket because I am not going to use formula. You have to know in order to differentiate this kind of thing, first you can use UV, but since there's no bracket there, so I just multiply 1 over 2r times 80. I will get 40r. Then 1 over 2r times negative 2r, I will get negative r squared. Okay? Any question about this? Not yet. This still A. I multiply this with this and that. I expand the bracket, yes. So then I find dA dr will be 40 minus 2r, and then 4 at maximum dA over dr will be equal to 0. So I say 40 minus 2r equal to 0. I move that negative 2r, become 2r equal to 40. So r is 40 divided by 2, which is 20. R is 20 when A is maximum. Then find the maximum area. So find the maximum means I have to replace R with 20 in order to find the maximum. So 40 times 20 minus 20 squared. So this is 800 minus 400, which is 400 centimeters squared. That is the maximum. How do I know? Okay, before I forget, you have to prove that this is maximum. Okay, there is one mark for that. Prove maximum means I will find the d squared A over dr squared, the second differentiation. I will get, for this one I get 0, for this one I get negative 2. If you get the second order differentiation, you get negative, it means therefore area, you can see area is maximum. If you get this positive, area is minimum. What does it mean that the area is maximum when r equals to 20? Do you think if you replace r with some value larger than 20, you get an area larger than 400? How do you know? No? Okay, tembak sikit saja. Then of course lah, because this is what is all about, finding maximum. So let's say you replace r with 30. Let's say r is 30. So it become A is 40 times 30, but minus 30 squared. So this one will be 1200 minus 900 will be 300 only. See? Even if r is larger than that 20, but the value of the area is not more than the value of 400 when we replace r with 20. Okay? So there is no, you could replace r with whatever value that you want, but the value of a will not be more than 400. Okay, any question for this one? Okay, insyaAllah. Okay.